Hello guys, welcome to Jaybest. Today we'll be seeing on how we can solve or how we can resolve low space problem. As it storage space running out. How we can solve the problem of low space in our cell phone. So all you need to do, actually need a memory card or an SD card to be able to solve such problems. So all you need to do, first of all, to power off your device. You can see here, all you need to do is to power it off. First of all, so you need to insert an SD card into the device. You can see it here, the device is off already. Insert it. You can see it. Okay, and power it on. Okay, it's booting now. Give it time to load. That's come up. You can see it now. It's still having the storage space running out problem. So all you need to do is to go to your file manager. That's here. Enter your device space. Okay, then you enter your device space. Then you come to files. These are files in your device now. Let me take Xender for example. Come to videos. Okay, you can see several videos here. Then mark all this to mark, and I hit on move. I'll move it to the SD card. Okay, drop it here. Okay, I'll still go back to my local storage. See, look for videos again. Okay, all I need to do is to continue this process. Keep moving. I'll now come to app. I'll mark the apps. Now we'll move to SD card. I'll drop it here. Okay, it's in processing. It's processing now. You are moving to the SD card. Okay, still in progress. Moving. Still in progress. Okay, done. All the files, you have moved them to the SD card already. So we need to come back to home and look. Okay, you can see that the low space problem is no longer here. Before this place, there was a notification bar at this up here that was saying that this device storage is running out of space. You can see it now. Done with this, you can be able to do the rest things. You can be able to add more videos and will also be able to snap pictures. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscription button, and also don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. See you guys in the next video. It's your boy, Jaybest.